Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I love natural fabrics and materials. I'm wearing a 100% cotton kaftan that is versatile and easy to wear, perfect for hot weather by the pool or just as a comfortable dress around the house. I think it's versatile and you would have a lot of opportunities to wear this. I appreciate the generous length on this dress. Now it is a very light, I would call mint green color, which is different, depending on the color of your monitor, what you may expect. I would definitely describe this as a mint green. It has a beautiful pattern and an adjustable drawstring belt. So at the kind of not exactly the waist area, more of an empire waist kind of height on me is where this drawstring lands. And again, it's roomy, versatile. I would consider this to be on the more roomy of the large size. I'm usually a large or an extra large, and I'm curvy with wide shoulders. And I found this kaftan to be very roomy. I love natural fabrics. It's just so much more comfortable, especially when it's hot or when you get overheated easily like I do. This is a comfortable, elegant, easy to wear kaftan dress. And I feel like you can use it as a dress, standalone dress, or you could simply use it as a cover up. Whatever way you decide to wear this dress, you can't go wrong with 100% cotton. This is a comfortable and breathable kaftan. And that is my point of view.